Once upon a time, a girl, Anella, lived in Germany already for 2 years, worked in fashion full-time, and had me, Dove, as her pet. But something changed. One day she woke up and realized she became smaller in this place. Just like this little bird. She was a dove once, but now a little parrot. Also, once Anella was an eagle with big dreams. She has now stability, beauty all around her, but she is not happy. Anella has birds who fly, but she does not fly herself. She writes cool songs and sings. She has to fly with this, with mission, with music. Anella talked to us, doves, explained her negative situation with a landlady and judgment she faces in life and work. Anella imagines that life has to be spent on planting goodness for all around her and not fighting for a piece of goodness for herself constantly. She said she would leave. She doesn't leave Germany forever and visits us, but she has to pursue flying. We, doves, checked her luggages and blessed Anella. In between her chaotic, fast-moving, she practiced singing-songwriting in German nature.
Baby, I find it sad you are so far. I can support you now, baby. I don't know your heart, even if I feel it was made of us. Can give you all of me. You won't take your gentleman, can take all of you. Gentleman, always right on the button, like a salamander, you revive every day. Love in the left, love in the right, eyes in the middle, let's be quiet. Love in the left, love in the right, eyes in the middle, let's be quiet. Just like I wrote it 5 years ago, and I don't remember all lyrics, but still I remember about what I was writing, and it's like, oh, it's just so nice. It's like love in the left, love in the right, eyes in the middle, let's be quiet. Love in the left, love in the right, eyes in the middle, let's be quiet. In winter I wear the warm pajama, in summer I wear just a smile. I wish I could be on warm Bahamas, but I can't enjoy this lifestyle if it's with you. In the mountain to I need to remember. I will remember. Like it's cute. It's cute. It's just a cute rebze. I know. I feel I did it. This is my heart song. My pain is like onion. Your love is like waterfall. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. My pain is like onion. Your love is like Anela from the future, and this is Ukrainian Sky. I'm in Kiev, Ukraine. I sing and write my own songs, and I identify myself not as Mr. or Miss. I'm Misha Anela. Subscribe on this channel, give a like and comment, and follow this not so fairy but hopefully happy end journey, and get inspired for your happy end journeys that usually starts when you leave that comfy seat. See you in the next video.